Okay guys, I got a 97 Jeep here, Grand Cherokee, and I want to show you how to change these shocks on they're called a lift gate shock for the window or for the gate. The ones for the gate, they work the exact same way. So we're going to change the smaller ones on the window here. If you look here, you got this little metal clip. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get a picky tool or a screwdriver or something here. We're just going to pop that clip off. Just poke under it like that and then lift forward. If it goes flying, that's all right. Your new one's gonna have one. If you guys need this part, I'll put a link in the description below. Just look in the description below and I'll have a link there for the part. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this one here. Just pry it up and then forward. Oh, she popped right off. So then that's off. But now let me show you the new one here, how easy that's gonna be. So your shock part goes towards the vehicle. Now this has the same clip on it, but this one springs one direction, not the other. So it literally snaps right on. There you go. And then this one here, just turn it, line it up. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Line it up for the hole and snap it in. One more time here. Line it up. I might need two hands here. There you go. Snaps right in. Now we can take our stick down. There we go. She's staying up by herself. So again, I'll put the link in the description below. Simple and easy to install. Please click like. Please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.